Hello guys, my name is Monaran Krishna and today I'm going to be doing this Covid-19 AG test. So yep, I'm going to tell you how to do it. So yep, let's do it. And you'll be given with this solution. You'll be having this cap for the solution, and you'll have like an earbud, but it's not. It's only on one side, so that you can do it in your nose, and then you can put it inside the solution, and the test will come. Yep. So let's do that. Here it is, the COVID-19 device over here. So there's nothing else over here. You don't need this. Just keep it over here. Keep all the other excess stuff in here. So now you're going to do the ART test. You can see on the back that is written peel here, so it will be black sign over here, so you can peel over here. So let's keep that ready, and then now we just do the work. Take and just do it 10 times in your nose around. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man. On the other side also. Okay, fine. So now just hold it in your hand and you just peel this solution here. Just want to open it and put this down here, and you take your part and put it in here and just stir it around 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. So let's take this out and put it in this cover again. And now we take the cap and we put it on. Yep, so now we mix it. Okay, fine. So on this we put 5 drops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. So this water comes to give the lines if there's. Yep. Guys, so this is 2 lines, that means it's positive. So yep, so right now I'm positive right now, so yep, that's very sad for me. It's been 2 days already, so yep, 2 days back, so 2 days more and I'm done. I'm active. Bye.